Hey guys, Steve back. And if you didn't know, over here, this is the T menu. Okay, hold down T, snaps in and out. If you left click on the add a cube, you can not only add a cube, which is pretty easy, you can hold down, you can add a cone, you can add a cylinder, pretty much any size you want, pull up your drop down menu, add a bunch of cuts to it, however you want, play around with stuff, play around with the depth, and then you can come over here and you can actually add a UV sphere. And the same way, it's going to come in however you draw it, so you'll have to kind of get used to that. And then you can add icospheres, you know, kind of make like these little rocks, whatever you want to call them. And then you can change the subdivisions right here. That's super cool. So you don't have to do a whole lot, and then you've got this gigantic, very well subdivided rock. Be careful though, because if you go past 5, Blender might crash. Now there's a couple of things here. You left click and hold it for another second. You'll see that the left click toggles snap, and that is left control. You're holding the left mouse button, and then Alt left mouse button. You'll drag from the center, and then Shift toggles the fixed aspect. So if I bring in, it's kind of pronounced with the UV sphere, so we'll do that. If I come over here and just hit Control, the little snap symbol comes up, and now I can draw from the corner. Nice and perfect. I don't know if you knew that or not. That looks pretty good. And it's still remembering the previous subdivisions for that, so keep that in mind. And if you're adding something, you know, you want that cube geometry, Control automatically will snap that for you. So you can put that in the corner. For some reason, that one did not come perfectly into the corner. Let me see. There we go. It was user error. Then, of course, if you just click, drag, let go, and then hold Alt, you can see you could do that one from the center. Like I said, the Control will snap it, and then Shift changes the aspect back. Okay, so I think you got that. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all in the next tutorial. Don't forget the T panel.